I skipped my high school prom. Now that part of me's gone, so I don't pick up my calls at all. And maybe, just maybe I'm wrong, or maybe I'm right, and I won't see them for the rest of my life. Remember that night when things were alright, and I wasn't there, and y'all didn't care to text or call or anything in this light. And I told you that